Right. Hi, my name is Luca, and I'm a rising sophomore at Los Altos High School. My main project is the Fingerprint ID safe. I chose this project because it incorporated both software and hardware aspects, and it seemed like a really nice way to store my possessions. So, to unlock it, you have to correctly enter a passcode here and press your finger to the sensor right here. And if you do it correctly, the safe will unlock. So here's a demonstration. So if I enter the password correctly, the fingerprint sensor will light up, and if I press my thumb to it, the safe will unlock. Okay, so here's the interior, and as you can see, I've stored all my wiring into this small compartment to prevent it from getting mixed up with whatever I put inside my safe. So if I close it and press the hash key right here, the safe will lock. The main features for this project are the fingerprint sensor and the keypad, which are used as security features to prevent unwanted access to my safe. The fingerprint sensor is an especially useful feature because it ensures that only I can enter the box. I faced many problems while doing this project. One was the fingerprint sensor. It was really difficult to code and connect because in the beginning my circuit wasn't providing the correct amount of voltage to my fingerprint sensor and it wouldn't light up. But I was able to overcome this problem with all the other ones I faced, and I learned really valuable lessons while doing it. So one lesson I learned was that it's really important to pay attention to small details because even the tiniest problem can affect your entire project. So I learned this when I had a problem with my circuitry after transferring it to a PCB. And at first I spent a lot of time trying to look at my code and see what was wrong. But in the end, it turns out the problem was in my resistors, and I used the wrong ones because they were really similar to the ones I was supposed to be using. The only difference being a small band on one of the resistors that helps identify the type of resistor it is, and it was differently colored than the one I was supposed to be using. So, whereas the sequence for the correct resistor was brown, black, orange, and gold, the one I was not supposed to be using was brown, black, black, and gold. So the difference was so small that I had overlooked it, but it had in turn caused my entire project to malfunction. But otherwise, my time at BlueStamp has been really positive and unique, and I've experienced a lot of Arduino coding and hardware engineering. Furthermore, I also realized that I'm more into engineering than I thought I was in the beginning, and this camp has provided me with something to pursue in the future. Thank you.
If your battery is completely out, can you open the box?
Oh yeah. Yeah, if it is out, I have a charging cable right here that I can connect to.
That's smart.
So you said you had an issue with the sensor just not getting voltage. How do you debug that?
The problem was actually like the sequence of my resistors was wrong, so I did look it up and I was able to find the problem, but it took a little bit of time.
Do you know the resistance of the resistor you used versus the one you're supposed to use?
Yeah, the one I wasn't supposed to be using was 10 ohm, and the one I was supposed to be using was 10 k ohm.